The Burnstone mine was opened in July 2007 to extract gold from a narrow reef about 400 meters below. The development boasted a real alternative to high-cost, deep-level mining in South Africa by creating a highly mechanized mine rather than the conventional, labor-intensive methods that put miners with hand-operated drills on the rock face and in harm's way. Join us by taking a look under the surface and watch how Burnstone operates. Being a shallow and somewhat smaller mine means that the highly expensive refrigeration process is unnecessary, and it allows for a highly accessible decline shaft for heavy vehicles and machinery required for the mechanized process. The on-reef development happens in the ore body, which means that development is actual mining. The primary high-profile access ways are set up first, which divides the reef into sections, all connected to the main decline shaft and the main vertical shaft. Every part of the development and production cycle is entirely mechanized, using high and low profile vehicles and machinery. The main vehicles used are drilling rigs, the bolters, the loaders, and the dump trucks. The first part is the development production cycle, which prepares the reef for mining. The drilling rigs bore the holes for blasting, which are primed with emulsion explosives. Loaders then clear out the area, and the bolters move in to secure and support the hanging wall. After the primary high-profile access ways are constructed, the smaller, low-profile access ways are created using the same process, and dividing the reef into the blocks where the mining will take place. The ore body at Burnstone is at a relatively flat angle, and excavation of ore is done by long hole stoping. Stoping is where most accidents happen, but at Burnstone this operation is man-free. So by using a mechanized process, the mining is not only safer, but more efficient and accurate. The stoping process starts with support. The bolter with long anchors secures the hanging wall, followed by the stope drilling, which bores 15 meters deep into the ore, each half a meter apart and primed with emulsion explosives. After blasting, the explosion and slope casts the ore into the lower access way. The low-profile loaders clear the ore and take it to the mucking bays, then load it onto large dump trucks to be taken to the surface for processing. Water jets then clear out the blasted area and the stoping cycle returns. As the process is mechanized, the rigs are continuously working and stoping is happening on several sites on the ore body simultaneously. So while traditional blasting advances about 0.9 meters a day, here at Burnstone we advance 5 meters per day. This process is repeated until each block is depleted of ore, leaving a support pillar in the stope. Waste rubble is then packed into the depleted block's low-profile access way, so no resources are wasted in removing rock that will not be processed. Burnstone has been intensively developing the ore body and has finally begun stoping, extracting ore for processing. The project has achieved several significant milestones, including the commissioning of the metallurgical plant, which opened on the 1st of October 2010 and had its first gold pour 30 days later. As of 10 November 2010, 192,000 tons of ore have been stockpiled. 4,830 meters of on-reef development has been completed with good consistency in the exposed reef. We are excited to have seen Burnstone develop into an efficient, safe, and highly productive mine that promises great returns for the years to come.